Are you using Yellow Pages to advertise for your local business? Did you know that a recent poll was taken from 2,400 individuals asking this question? Which of the following online sites have you used regularly to find local businesses? The results concerning Yellow Pages may surprise you. 72% use Google, 13% use Yellow Pages, 11% use Yelp, 4% use Angie's List. Did you know that compared to 11.8 million visiting Yellow Pages website, Google gets over 100 billion monthly searches? Google is where your customers are looking for your local business. If this is the case, shouldn't you be investing your money in ranking your website on Google instead of the Yellow Pages? Contact us today for more information.